Hello everyone, welcome to our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of maintenance mechanics. We'll explore the key roles they play, their primary responsibilities, and why they are so crucial in any organization that relies on machinery. We'll also discuss the differences between maintenance technicians and mechanics, and the certification programs that can enhance their skills. Whether you're considering a career as a maintenance mechanic or you're an enterprise looking to hire one, this video is packed full of valuable insights. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of maintenance mechanics. These are the professionals who ensure that an organization's machinery is always up and running without compromising on quality. Unlike maintenance technicians who deal with a variety of equipment, maintenance mechanics specialize in machines. They're the ones who assemble, disassemble, repair, and maintain machinery. They also test new equipment and document maintenance work. In some cases, a senior mechanic might even train new technicians and mechanics. Now, it's important to understand that maintenance technicians and mechanics aren't exactly the same. While both roles are crucial, maintenance mechanics focus specifically on machines and mechanical equipment. On the other hand, a maintenance technician has a broader scope and might work with machinery or even in apartments patching walls and fixing piping. So, what are the key responsibilities of a maintenance mechanic? They perform maintenance, examinations, and tests on all mechanical equipment. They're responsible for equipment transport, assembly, and disassembly. They fabricate and adjust repair parts via machining, update maintenance documentation, and when necessary, train new maintenance mechanics. What traits make a good maintenance mechanic? They follow manufacturer specifications and guides, are skilled in using precise measurement tools, demonstrate knowledge of both general and complex mechanical systems, prioritize the safety of the working environment and coworkers, and possess strong problem-solving skills. Now, who should hire a maintenance mechanic? Any organization that uses large-scale machinery to create products can benefit from having one or more maintenance mechanics. Without them, mechanical equipment receives less maintenance, and asset managers have to deal with the complex task of machine assembly and transport. This is where trained mechanics come in, specializing in equipment disassembly and making the process significantly more efficient. Maintenance mechanics are crucial for the normal operation of mechanical equipment. So, any company concerned with its uptime should think about investing in maintenance mechanics. They're also incredibly important for startup companies using machinery, as they perform initial tests and examinations that can make or break the setup of new and expensive equipment. Where can you find maintenance mechanics? Any organization with a large amount of machinery will likely employ a maintenance mechanic or a team of them. Some examples of industries that utilize the skills of maintenance mechanics include aerospace, where machines are involved in every single step of building an airplane. The automotive industry, where every automobile leaving a factory must meet strict safety standards. And the food and drink industry, which uses hundreds of pieces of machinery to produce even the simplest of candies. If you're looking to hire a maintenance mechanic, you'll want to ensure they're properly trained and certified. While education is important, certifications can mean the difference between good enough uptime and world-class uptime. There are a variety of certifications available for maintenance mechanics. The International Maintenance Institute offers a certification to become a certified maintenance technician, which teaches mechanics a variety of important technical and mechanical skills. And for those in the aviation industry, there's the Professional Aviation Maintenance Certification, which covers advanced functionality and maintenance of aircraft. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the role, responsibilities, and importance of maintenance mechanics. Whether you're looking to hire one or considering becoming one, understanding the ins and outs of this profession is crucial. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the vital role of maintenance mechanics, their responsibilities, and the importance of their work in various industries. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. For more information on maintenance and reliability resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your machinery's upkeep is our priority.